Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a get ready with me, and this is kind of like a holiday theme because it's super close to Christmas and just the holiday season in general, so I thought I would do this. And thank you so much to Ipsy for partnering with me for this video. So I'm going to be using products from the December glam bag in this tutorial. And in case you didn't know, glam bags are personalized little bags that you get every month with 5 products that are personalized for you. And yeah, so I'm going to be using the products that I got in the December glam bag. So if you want to check Ipsy out, I'll leave a link down below. And let's just get into it. So earlier today I did a hair mask, and this is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And basically all you do is put it in your hair, leave it in for 20 minutes, rinse it out, and then your hair is super soft and frizz-free. This is 100% vegan and it doesn't have any like sulfates and all those harsh chemicals. My type of hair is just naturally very dry, so I did that earlier, as you can see, and it turned out great. So first I'm going to start by filling in my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And I always used dark brown, but then I discovered that ebony actually matches my hair better. So you guys have seen me fill my eyebrows a million times. It's really nothing new. I have realized that I like my eyebrows thinner than I used to make them. When it comes to filling in my eyebrows, I just like do it really messily and then I fix it with concealer. So since your eyebrows like frame your face, I do like to like carve it out more and just have them more chiseled, I guess. Is that the right word? I don't know. I'm gonna not talk, but I'm just gonna do the bottom of both and then I'm gonna do the top. So the reason I like to do my eyebrows before like foundation and everything is because when I carve it out, you know, it makes sense not to put it on top of already done face makeup, like the concealer. Like a lot of celebrity makeup artists do eyebrows first, so I figured they definitely know more than me, so I took that trick. If you guys want an updated eyebrow tutorial of like how I fill them in, not just how I do them, which by the way, thank you so much for all the love on that video. That video is the first one that I've ever got more than 1 million views on, and it's almost to 3 million views, so that's so cool for me. So yeah, thank you so much for the love on that video. I mean, if you guys want more like tutorials, I feel like people really like those. I was thinking of doing like a ways to improve your makeup skills. The reason I first made my channel was first of all to make makeup tutorials and also to like help beginners in makeup, not just like show off my makeup skills, I guess, but I want to help people like be more confident in their makeup skills, because I feel like maybe people don't wear makeup because they feel like they're bad at it, it never looks good. Obviously I didn't go to London, in case you guys didn't know, because I said I was gonna vlog and I was really excited about that, but that didn't end up working out. But it's a lot of personal stuff. I will tell you that I'm no longer at the university I was. I'm actually in City College now, which, by the way, there's nothing wrong with that. Even if it's not exactly what you want, there's always something else. I was doing school, I really focused on my grades because my last semester, spring 2018, my grades were terrible in college. I really wanted to work hard this semester, so I ended up getting a 3.5. I am planning to transfer to another 4-year university after this year, hopefully. But yeah, so that's what has been happening. I'm really terrible at talking while I'm doing my makeup, so sorry about that. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I really like this one. I think I like the Born This Way better than this one because this is too matte for my skin. I don't know, I like more dewy foundation. Dots on my face. And I'm gonna kind of put a lot on because, I don't know. I saw Kathleen Lights talking about this brush, and it's the It Cosmetics Love brush. It's like a limited edition one. Love is the foundation. Look at how pretty. That is such a pretty brush. So, and she said it was like her favorite foundation brush, so I'm gonna try it out. And I do really like the other It Cosmetics one I have. That one's so good, the dual-ended one. That's literally my favorite brush to like when I don't feel like using a sponge. So first impressions, it's just like a nice dense kabuki brush. The thing is with foundation brushes, you have to be really like, you have to blend on the surface, like don't like rub it into your skin really hard, because otherwise that will not come out nice. This one is like pretty dense, and that's why I like my other one, is because it's like kind of smaller. So now I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I really like this concealer. I can use it as like a foundation if I don't feel like putting on foundation that day, and because it matches my skin perfectly. I actually found my shade since I got this in PR, and I really, really liked it. And I'm gonna be really sad when I run out, but I guess I'll buy another one. I'm gonna blend with my finger under my eyes because I didn't wet my sponge and I don't feel like getting up. So, and my skin literally got so messed up when I moved to my college dorm last year, the whole year, and then this entire summer. It was completely messed up. I have no idea what happened. I don't know if it was like something in the air, something I used. I have no idea. Maybe it was stress. My skin was literally the worst it has ever been in my entire life. But it is literally so much better like than it used to be. Girl, why is my skin doing this? Like, are you okay? So I went and got another brush because I'm seeing like a bunch of like separation right here, which doesn't usually happen. Maybe it's the foundation, but I think it might be the brush because it's too dense. But I thought I'd try it. So this is the Morphe something. It's this one. I don't know. I really like it because it's small and it's not super, super dense. No, we're just really out here comparing ourselves to everyone. I just think we need to be more loving to ourselves. And like, I need to practice what I preach because I do miss filming and I love uploading and editing and all that. I just want to feel like I make good videos. I'm just gonna use this brush from Morphe M438 and I'm just gonna literally so lightly powder my face because if I cake anything on, which this is already too much foundation honestly for me right now, then my skin is gonna go crazy. I've really been liking like stationery and making pretty notes, in case you couldn't tell by my studygram, which I just made because I wanted to post my notes somewhere because I spent time on making them look pretty for no reason. So I thought I'd make a studygram because I remember like seeing them and like seeing all these pretty notes. Okay, so like that's literally all the powder I'm putting on. But yeah, if you want to see what I've been posting and if you want to follow my notes, I guess, then my studygram is Canela Studies. So I'm going to be using the Take Home the Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer in Oliver. This product can be used as contour and bronzer because it's very cool toned and it won't make you look orange, which is number one for me when it comes to bronzers. Yeah, I'm just going to use this brush and I'm going to bronze out my face. So I'm just going to tap in like this and dust off the excess as always. Always do that because it's very important not to put too much on. So I'm going to use this brush. And this is the Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. So I'm gonna just like mix all of them together like that and just put that on the apples of my cheeks and then also blend it upwards like that. Now that I'm done putting like powders on my face, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which I got from their Black Friday sale and I was so excited because this is literally the best eyebrow gel ever. It's kind of expensive for like what it is. So I'm going to be using the Larizzi Cosmetics Dew Pot in the shade Fine. So this is really good for like enhancing all skin tones and has like a very ultra fine shimmer in it. So it's not like super glittery and I think you can use this on the eyes and the face. I'm just going to use it as a little cream illuminator for my nose in the center right here. I love cream highlighters, especially like for like the drier places and especially like drier climate right now. And I'm gonna add some on the corner of my eyes. This is just, I'm prepping for eyeshadow because I'm gonna do eyeshadow next. I'm actually gonna put some on the center of my lid. Honestly, I have no idea what eye look I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm thinking like something shimmery in the center. So I'm actually going to use this Lancome Monochromatique Eclat. I don't speak French. So I'm gonna use this as actually a base. I want this to be a really glittery, not glittery, but shimmery look. So I'm gonna just put on the shimmer first. So I'm gonna use this small little pencil brush and I'm gonna dip into that product. But now that that base is down, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. It's so dirty because it's my favorite. And I'm going to take this shade right here, not the yellow, because I kind of want this, and then this one up here. Those two mixed together. So since I'm going to be using like a more reddish lipstick, I'm going to use a warm toned brown, which is this one right here. I'm pretty sure it's warm toned. So I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm just gonna use this really pretty pink color, and I always use my fingers for the Jaclyn Hill shadows because they are very pigmented and they go on really nicely with your fingers. So I wiped off this brush and I'm gonna use that same pink color that I used on my lids right in the inner corner. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes off camera because it's just, I'm gonna darken up like my lash line and my underneath, and that's about it. You've seen me do it a million times. So I finished my eyes mostly and I just did my smoky eyeliner. I used the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara for my mascara, and I'm actually going to use the Ardell individual lashes. So before I put on my lip color, I'm going to be using the Steve Laurent Beauty Lip Oil. This keeps your lips hydrated and moisturized. So this is really good for before like a lipstick, which I'm going to be putting on right now. On the center of the lips. And it feels really nice. It feels like more like a lip gloss, but moisturizing. And I think this is going to be like a nice, because I want to blend out the liquid lipstick that I'm going to be using. For lips, I'm going to be using the Half Caked in the color Power Trip. This is really long lasting and it's non-drying and it dries completely matte. The lighting changed and sorry about that. I'm more of a fan of doing like a lighter wash of color. I'm not a fan of like fully putting on the liquid lipstick because I feel like it just doesn't look good on me. So that's why I kind of blended it out with my finger. So I'm actually gonna add a little bit more of the lip oil on top, like this. So I'm gonna blot the lipstick really quick. As you can see, when I blotted it and everything, it's a really pretty like kind of stained color. Obviously this is a liquid lipstick, so you can put it on like a full liquid lipstick, but personally for me, my style of putting on lipstick is more of like a faded out stained look. I'm just gonna swatch this really quick, just so you can see. It's a very velvety texture and it's so pigmented. Like I love this, and the packaging is so cute. It smells really good. So I don't know why I do this, but I always do highlighter at the end, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter with the Morphe M501 brush. The last step is setting spray, and I'm going to be using the Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray, which is my all-time favorite setting spray. They actually make Urban Decay setting sprays, so that just tells you how good it is. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias if you haven't already. And yeah, I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.